Today, we're going to show you a fun and eco-friendly chemistry project, turning used green tea leaves into natural bar soup. We chose this idea because we want to turn waste into something useful, and what's better than something that keeps you clean?
Did you know that every day, tons of tea bags are thrown away? Indonesia produces around 150,000 tons of tea per year. Of this, most is consumed domestically, producing significant waste in the form of tea bags. For example, a tea industry can produce around 400 kilograms of solid waste per day, or around 20 tons per month. Green tea, especially, still contains powerful antioxidants even after it's brewed. Instead of throwing away used tea leaf, we can reuse them to make the soap that is good for your skin and the planet. Green tea is rich in polyphenols which help fight bacteria and reduce inflammation. That means our soap won't just clean, and you will feel refreshed and cared for. Materials that we need to collect is the first one, 3 of used green tea bag. We can get the used green tea bag from households or tea industry. The second one is 250 grams of solid glycerin soap paste, which is half the price of 28,000 rupiah. And then we need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which is half the price of 35,000 rupiah per 250 milliliters. Next, we need 10 drops of essential oil, such as lavender, lemon, etc., which is half the price of 29,000 rupiah. And then, we need soap molds, such as ice cube trays or small silicone molds, which is half the price of 10,000 rupiah. Also, we need knife or grater, small pot, spoon, spatula, and heat-safe container. Step by step how to make it. So, let's start. The first step is to cut or grate the soap paste. Chop or grate 250 grams of soap paste to help it melt faster. The second step is melt the soap paste. Use low heat or a double boiler to melt the soap. Stir gently until fully liquid. The third step is add green tea leaves. Add 3 bags of dried used green tea leaves. Stir well to mix. The next step is to add coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to help moisturize your skin. The fifth step is to add essential oil. This step is optional to give the soap a refreshing scent. Add a few drops of essential oil. And the last step is pour the soap liquid into molds and let it cool. Pour the soap mixture into a soap molds. Let it cool at room temperature for 3 until 4 hours, or place in the fridge to harden faster. Congratulations! You've just made your own green tea bar soap, which is natural, homemade, and eco-friendly. Now, let's talk about the chemistry behind it. Usually, soap is made through a chemical reaction called saponification, where oil reacts with a strong base to create soap. But in our project, we use a pre-made glycerin soap base. That means the saponification already happened. So, instead of creating soap from the scratch, we simply melted the soap, mixed in green tea and coconut oil, and then pour it into a mold. There is no new chemical reaction here. It's all about physical mixing and enhancing the soap with natural benefits.
By reusing something like green tea waste, we're not only reducing trash, but also learning how chemistry can solve real-world problems. Let's make science fun, useful, and good for the earth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to reuse, reduce, and recycle. Bye-bye!